Very good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 8 Combustion, Fuels as well as Flames. This is a chapter which belongs to chemistry of 8th class. Study. Within this one, three different blocks are existing. One is combustion, other one is fuels, other one is flames. About these three subtopics we will discuss within this particular chapter related together. It is called as combustion, fuels as well as flames. Now coming to the topic, first part is what? First part is what? Combustion. We can give it up. What is meant by combustion? What is meant by combustion? Combustion can be called as nothing but what? Any material. The material in presence of oxygen. If you burn in presence of oxygen, material when it is reacting with oxygen in presence of air. In presence of air, plus indicates what? It reacts. Any material which is reacting in presence of oxygen, which reacts with oxygen in presence of air, it liberates or generates heat. Generating of heat when any material reacting with oxygen in presence of air is called as nothing but what? Combustion. We can call it. What we can call it as? Combustion. This combustion will be of two types of material can be get existing there. One is combustible material, other one is non-combustible material. One is combustible material, other one is non-combustible material. Coming to combustible materials. What are called as combustible materials? The materials which burns. When we bring near to a flame, when we are bringing near to a flame, a material which is going to be get burned, we call them as nothing but what? Combustible materials. Examples: a paper, candle. I have taken there. If I am bringing a flame near the flame, if I am bringing candle, candle starts burning. Paper. If I am taking a paper near to the flame, paper starts burning. Simultaneously, when fire near a flame, if I am adding certain quantity of petrol with a high flame, it will be get burning. There with high intensity, it will be get burning. LPG gas. Nowadays, the food what else we are cooking up based upon what? CNG gases there itself. Instead of petrol or diesel, gases are also added there itself nowadays. Therefore, they burns compulsory. That's the reason on petroleum tanks or else CNG as well as LPG gases as they are carrying it up, it is inflammable. They will give it a white, indicates nothing but what? We should not bring flame near to this particular material. Why? Means if you bring it up, it can be get combustible. Combustion process can be taken place. They can be get burned. That type of materials are called as combustion materials. Examples. You can take more examples. Cakes of cow dung, wood, charcoal, etc. So on. All the materials which is used to cook the food, they all are nothing but what? Combustion materials, which is in olden days before discovery of electricity. What they used to be there by using kerosene lamp. Kerosene is a combustion material. As we are lighting it up, nicely it will give little bit light so that we can perform our activities during night times also there. Before electricity invention I am talking about. Therefore, there are some materials which can burn and give flame. When you bring it near to the flame, they are called as combustible material. Simultaneously, one more material is also there. Next one is what? Non-combustible materials. What are called as non-combustible materials? These materials are the materials which do not burn. Which do not burn when we are bringing near the flame. When you are bringing near the flame, these materials cannot be get burned. Therefore, we can call those materials as nothing but what? Non-combustible materials, we can call it up. Examples. If you go for examples, pebbles. If you bring any pebble near to the flame, will it be burned? No. Any stone if you are bringing near to the flame, can it be get burned? No. And water, if you are bringing a flame near the flame, if you are bringing water, if a huge flame is happening, what will add up? Water will be get carried up, so that what happens there? It can put off the fire. It can put off the fire. Therefore, these are few examples I have given for non-combustible materials. We can give it up. What we can give it up? Non-combustible materials. Not only that one, sand also you take it up. Sand is also a non-combustible material which cannot be get burned, which cannot be get burned. These are nothing but what? Non-combustible materials. That is, as we are discussing about a subtopic called as combustion. Combustion means what? Any material, the material reacts with oxygen in presence of air, gives, generate heat. Generate heat, that is called as a combustion reaction. That is called as what? A combustion reaction. And based upon this particular combustion reaction, combustion process, an activity we are going to be get performed, that is what? Activity 1 we can give it up. What does this particular activity 1 gives information? It gives information about, do all material burn? Here we are taking the material will be of two types. One is combustible material, other one is non-combustible material. We have seen clearly that which burns are called as, which burns when we are bringing near to the flame are called as combustible reactions, which do not burn when we are bringing near to the particular flame, they are called as non-combustible materials. Now he is asking question, do all materials burn? We can understand clearly, we can say that no. Material cannot do, all material cannot be get burned. Only the material which is a combustible in nature material, they can only burn. Which are in non-combustible in nature, they cannot be get burned. Now, to perform that one, I am performing an activity. To perform a particular activity 1, I have taken material required. What are the material I have taken there required there? A pair of tongs. Tongs is nothing but what? Like a forceps, a holder. We are taking it up. A pair of tongs are existing there, the first one. Next one is what? Metal or clay dishes I have taken there to identify whether it is a combustible material or non-combustible material. Whether it can be get burned immediately, whether it can be get burned slowly or do not burn. We are going to it up. Next one is what? Candle or a spirit lamp we have taken. Candle or a spirit lamp we have taken. These all are the material required to perform activity 1. Procedure. I have taken series of, in textbook he has given a table. In that table he has given only 5 articles. But whereas here I have taken 13 articles. 13 plus 14 CNG, LPG and CNG both are gases. That's the reason I have added together here. What are the material taken? Magnesium ribbon. When I am bringing magnesium ribbon here to the flame, what happened there? It burns slowly. It burns slowly. It will be get burned. Therefore, as it is burning, we can call this one as nothing but what? Combustible material. CB, I am taking it up where C indicates combustible, CB indicates combustible, M indicates material, combustible material. As it is not burning immediately, slowly it is burning. If it is burning, we can call it as nothing but what? Combustible material. Next one is what? I have taken a pebble. Pebble, if I am taking there, pebble cannot burn, it cannot be get burned, therefore non-combustible material. can call it up. N indicates not. C combustible. CB indicates combustible material cannot be get burned. When I am going for petrol, petrol is what? Very fastly as we are bringing near to the flame. Within fraction of seconds, it can be get light up into a fire there itself. Yes or not? A very dangerous there. Therefore, it is very fastly burned there itself. Immediately, fire will be get catch. Therefore, they are called as combustible material. Charcoal, if I am taking there, if you take charcoal to do iron, what they will use? They will use charcoal. Will charcoal burn instantaneously? No, there. It won't burn instantaneously. Or it cannot be get burned very fastly. Slowly the burning will be taken place. Due to that reason, maximum number of dresses he can iron. Maximum number of dresses he can iron. Therefore, it is slowly burning the itself charcoal. Simultaneously, straw. Straw is made up of what? Organic material called as plastic. Therefore, what? It can be get with this combination of carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, it can also will be get burned very slowly. Coming to cotton cloth, the cloths what we are wearing it up. The cloths what we are wearing it up, cotton cloth if we going it up, it burn very slowly. But when we go for nylon cloth here, within fraction of second, as we are bringing near to the fire, flame, it burns, it catch fire there itself. Within fraction of seconds, immediately, fastly, instantaneously, the fire can be get caught when I am bringing near nylon cloth. Similarly, dry wood, if I am taking it up, the dry wood can be get burned very fastly there? No, slowly it burns. Due to that, in olden days, by using wood, they used to cook food. As they are cooking food means what does it indicate? Means what? Slowly if it burns for a certain time interval, then only the food can be get cooked. Then only the food can be get cooked. Therefore, slowly it will be get burned. Next one is what? Wax. Wax also burns very fastly there. As we are lighting it up, it will start melting into liquid stage. As the flame brought near the particular wax, what happened? It starts melting very fastly or immediately. It can be get burnt up there. That is the thing. Next one is what? Take a pan. Take a pan. Within that particular pan, take some quantity of liquid called as water. Bring a flame near to this particular water. What happened? Will flame burns and water burns continuously? Then no. Flame will be get put off. Flame will be get put off. By that we can say that water is a non-combustible reaction. We can give it up. A non-combustible material we can call it up there. Next one is what? Coconut oil, mustard oil, kerosene oil. Any oil you take it up. If a paper is dipped in kerosene or kerosene or mustard oil or coconut oil and light it, flame within fraction of second it starts burning. Within fraction of second what happened? It starts burning. By that we can say that material is a combustible material. There are two types of material where immediately they can be get caught up into the fire, and there are some other materials slowly they can be get burned. There are the combustible material which can be divided into two types. One is immediately catching of fire materials are rapid within fraction of seconds. If they are going to be get burned, that is one type of combustible material. Other one is what? Very slowly the material will be get burned. They are slowly combustible material, slowly taking flame material. We can give it up. LPG gas, liquid petroleum gas or CNG gas, if you take it up, if you are bringing flame near to that one, what happened? Within as we are bringing near to that particular one, it will get caught up with the fire. So that what happened? It is also immediately, fastly, instantaneously, it can be get caught with fire. Therefore, these are the materials. What we can say that there are materials which can catch fire instantaneously or within fraction of seconds, and they can burn very slowly. That is also one type of material. There is some other material which do not get burned. Whereas in the table we have taken two different materials. What are those here? One is pebbles. Other one is what? Water. These two are the materials which do not burn as we are bringing flame near to it. flame near to it. This is the process of lab activity. We can give it up. How we are performing this lab activity? Take a spirit lamp, light it with a flame, light it with matchstick. As it is lighting, what happens? Flame will be get coming by using pair of tongs. Take a material called as magnesium ribbon, bring it near to the particular spirit lamp. Whether it will be catching fire or not, we check it up. In that particular process, as all these are within these liquids are there, with the liquids can be taken in water, clay dishes, and just we can add fire. We can bring that particular spirit lamp near to the particular one, or candle near to the particular material. In that particular way, we can do this particular activity. Try to analyze. By this, we have completed a topic called as combustion and combustion material, non-combustion material. Based upon this one, activity called as activity 1. Children, try to analyze this particular topic by watching number of times and gain knowledge. Thank you for watching.